Hi guys, so let's do today's really Leetcode problem. Okay, it's the difference. Find the difference. In this, you are given two string. Okay, S and T. S contains some characters. Okay, T contains some characters. Okay, but yeah, this is just a string, normal string. Okay, without any constraint. You answer is true or false. You have to find whether T is a string such that it is formed using S. Exactly, S and one extra character. So it's like more or less equal to S, but just one extra character difference. That's what you need to find out that which character it is. And so this condition must be true first of all, that T should be equal to exactly equal to S, but just one character can be. It can be okay. It can be anything. Character only English letter. Okay. So that's it. So how can we do this? Think about this. Basically, more or less it should be equal to T. That's what I'm keep on saying. After removing everything from T, which is in S, you should have only one character remaining. That can be anything, but yeah, this should be the thing. Or there any other way? Any other way? Look, what I did is frequency map. Set can also work. But map can also work. Frequency map, but that's the same thing. Yeah, I think this is the one of the coolest or one of the like easy, easiest and straightforward way to do this. One I just said that find not find basically how do you remove every character which is in S from T, because that should be in T as well. So for that, like frequency map comes up like on the top. So you created frequency map for string S, you created frequency map for string T. It should be more or less very equal. Just one character should be different, and which character is different, you return that answer. So that's what I did. I calculated both the frequency map and then I go over each the English letter 0 to 26. If frequency, yeah, if it is greater in T, so this is the extra character, return this character, right? I should have written like it is equal to 1 plus this f1 of I. Exactly equal to 1 plus this. Okay. Then it should obviously like work. And the constraints also say that it always exists. Okay, that maybe it says or not. Yeah, but if t length is always equal to s dot length plus 1, more or less you believe that it's going to be. And I feel test cases are also like not in the case when a b d e and let's say m. Okay, now this is not nothing like this is not in this case what you return should be contain valid shuffled version, but they should have mentioned this in problem. This I feel like is a they have not mentioned in the problem that it's always valid as an answer, but yeah, we can expect it to be a valid as an answer. Now, GFG problem of the day is maximum sum combination. I think you might have done this when you are given two arrays, okay, and then you are asked to find the combination sum of the array, maximum k combination sums. How would you do this? Like kind of a question. This is just a kind of a question itself, like, and one of the way which directly comes into my mind is that okay, why not get every possible sum that is n into m? Okay, but that's not a something like very intelligent, because like the maximum is the maximum of a plus maximum of b, which is like in kind of yeah. So have that first, and then what is the next thing? It can be either max of a plus second max of b, or either second max of a plus max of b. How will you get this? You get this using something like I and j pointer, where I and j is initially placed at n minus 1, n minus 1. First of all, it's sorted, so n minus 1, n minus 1 is the maximum. And then either goes to n minus 2 or j goes to n minus 2. Okay, not both. Like, yeah. So when that happens, you get the next thing. So yeah, that's what I did. Like, I pointed I at there and j at there, and then but which one to go? Which one to go for? Like to go decrement I or decrement j? Well, you cannot directly say that, because look, it affects the current scenario as well as the after it, whatever the scenario it creates, that affects that as well. So we'll go for each possible option, and the It's not like I'm going towards DP. It's something like priority queue, right? That gives you the maximum of the current options. So these two are the current options. Push it into priority queue. The top will be the maximum of it. You take out that, and then you do same thing. Like this is my I and J. What can I do? Either I minus one, J same, or J minus one, I same. These are the two options always, whatever scenario your I and J be. So first of all, I sorted both the things. Very good. I created a priority queue. Okay. What do I need in priority queue? Like first of all, how my priority is based on is the summation of that. Like what is the value exactly? Because that's what I want maximum. So among all the possible options, I will take the something which is having the maximum sum combination. So priority queue, first thing is that. Second thing which you need is for shifting ij pointer is ij itself. So that's why there is a pair of int comma int which is specifying the index where you are in the array A, where you are in the array B currently, and based on that your next combination will come up. And then set to just keep track of visited always, and you push something like minus n minus 1 n minus 1, and the summation of that, that's maximum thing. Now here comes the thing. Okay, insert it into set, that's also a very fine thing, but yeah, it's not required as such because we will not be calling for this anyway, right? Okay, we will be calling out something like I minus 1 comma j, j minus 1 comma I. These two things we will be calling on. So if they are not, they are, yeah, they are already not in set, then I will call it, because there can be scenario that okay, yeah, some, there are overlapping scenario as well. Like let's say you go to I minus 1 comma j, then you try to shift j. So I minus 1 comma j minus 1. But you would have already done it if you had gone from I comma j minus 1, then shifted I to I minus 1 j minus 1, right? So I minus 1 j minus 1 can be done in two ways, achieved in two ways, right? What I'm saying, should I write it? I think it's very straightforward, which I said. What do I write? Like I, j, I minus 1, j minus 1. So currently you are here, okay, I and j. You want to go to I minus 1 comma j minus 1. So there are one way is like you go from I to I minus 1. So in this scenario, from I to j, you go, like, let me write completely. From I to j, you go to I minus 1 comma j. And then you go from I minus 1 comma j minus 1. So first you decremented I, then you decremented j comma j. You go to I minus 1 comma j, I comma j minus 1. And then I minus 1 comma j minus 1. First you decremented it, then you decremented it. Just these are the two ways. And if let's say you already take it from this way, then you would not like to take it from other, like again. So that's why visited is there. Like that's the whole purpose of explaining visited. And yeah, then just push back. Like this is the main thing. Sum is the p dot first. Take it and push it into your answer. And these are I and j pointers which are helpful to get the next combination. Q dot pop obviously, and then these are the possible combination. If it is not present, take it, push it, take it, push it into set, I mean, right? Yeah, and then that's your answer, and that's it. Okay guys, क्या करें अब, नेक्स्ट वीडियो में करते हैं, क्या करें, कल लीड कोड का कॉन्टेस्ट हुआ था, उसकी वीडियो बना देते हैं, ठीक है? चारों क्वेश्चन। ओके बाय।